Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Gary here from iDigit Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets. Now we only going to be using one account. Most people use multiple accounts, but we only using one because you guys are new, you know what I'm saying, you want to try it out, see if it works for yourself, so to speak. So anyway, I'm just showing you the results from doing just that. All right, the bare minimum. So anyway, you're interested in following along, links will be in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business and why I like working with the company behind it, Home Business Academy. And the main reason why I like working with them is because of their affiliate program. Their affiliate program is 80% commissions, and the $25 business is 80% recurring commissions. All right, guys. So you get paid every single month, 80% of the income that you get sales for, so to speak. So you don't need a couple of people in the system to make a whole lot of money, is what I'm trying to say. And you make it for life if they stay. So that's the reason why I like doing that. All right, so first off, let's look at our results here. Gonna refresh the page. Don't believe results if the page ain't refreshed in front of you guys. All right, it looks like I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. As you know, I like to check this with you guys, so I have no idea if I got a sale or not until I refresh the page here. So when I do that, sometimes it might be a resale or something like that. I'm not entirely sure what's going on, you know what I mean? So I just want to make sure I clarify that for some people who are asking. Somebody asked me that, like, how don't you know what's going on? But that's the reason why. But okay, so if you're interested in following along, the first thing you need to do, guys, you on one of my videos, I always have it in the description. All you gotta do is come down here, right? You see the description here, you just open that up, and right here you're gonna see step 1, join the $25 business. Right here, incomespeaks.com.sales. You just click on that. It's gonna take you immediately to this page here. And what this page is, the sales letter for the $25 business, essentially explaining how much money you can make and all that good stuff with the $25 business, you know what I mean? So yeah, once you get to this page, you decide you want to try it out, you click on yes, I want in. That'll take you to this page here where you can just purchase the product. Right now, one thing I want to make sure I clarify here, you just purchase it right here. One thing I want to show you guys is this product here, which is the HBA Premium, which basically is training that's constantly updated. Also has a content machine for you guys to, you know, if you can't figure out what to post or something for Instagram or TikTok or whatever, it can do a caption for you, all that good stuff. You can make articles, help you make articles, emails, whatever, and all that stuff in it. And the training is constantly updated based on what's going on. So you can get all that for $125 a month, guys. Get all that for $125 a month. Now let me understand something. You click on my link below, you'll get it for 14 days for free. Now one thing I want to explain real quick. The reason why they're able to pay 80% recurring commissions for each sale while any other business is not, is because you have to have the product in order to promote it. All right, guys. So for example, if you were to come through here and not have this clicked, right, you just get the $25 business. Then once you get a sale and then the person under you decides, hey, I want to try this out as well, and then when they get to the point where they pay the $125, you would not get that $100 sales if you don't also have this product. You see what I'm saying? So that's how that works. So I recommend getting everything, all right, while it's only $25. So anyway, once you log in, do all your information stuff, you'll get to this page here, something like this. What down here doesn't matter, but this is the emerging content machine, by the way. You can just ask it anything, it'll give it to you. But down here doesn't matter. You'll get to a page that looks like this, and what you need to do is go to the affiliate zone. You click on the affiliate zone here. By the way, there's videos explaining all of this, guys. I'm just doing like a very abridged version of it. I'm showing you real quickly. So you click on sign up for the affiliate program. That'll take you to this page here. You put in your information, blah blah blah, right? put in your information, and then you log into SoundCard. That's gonna take you to this page here. And while we came to this page, you ain't gonna have no money up here, but it's your page. You see what you're getting paid and all that good stuff. And once you do all that, all you gotta do is click on the all-in-one $25 business sales here. Boom, you click on that, and what you want to do next, guys, see, you got your link, you got your affiliate link, so to speak. So the next thing you want to do is go back to my video here, and you're gonna see right here it says step 2, join my lead secrets. Now this is my lead secrets right here. One more thing I want to explain real quick. If you're interested in using an autoresponder, this is probably the best one I found. The GetResponse autoresponder is very solid, but you don't need autoresponders or anything like that for what I'm explaining here. You don't need none of that stuff. This is very simple, easy, the laziest way to make money online, guys. So anyway, you click on this right here, iDigit MLGS. So you click on that, it'll take you to this page here, which is my lead gen secrets. Now he'll explain what my lead gen secrets is, but TLDR, basically you get 100 leads every single day. You get 100 leads every single day that you're in the system. All right, guys. Now these are real people, but they're cold leads. Basically, all they're interested in making money online, and that's it. Like, that's all the information they have on you. You have to kind of email them a bunch of times and get them to get them to want to join you and so on and so forth. And I got the emails for you guys. I show you all my emails. So anyway, log in, get your account, whatever it be. Very simple process. Once you get into your account, so to speak, you'll get to this page, a little something like this, and where you can get all your leads here. I won't show people's information, but you get your leads here. You get you can go get the master email swipes if you wish. I recommend not to do it. I will get an affiliate sale for you guys if you do buy the master email swipes, but I recommend you not buy them because I show you a ton of emails that been working for me. So I'll just show you those. It's possible these will work better, but I just rather use mine or ask the emergent content machine here to make me emails. It's been working well for me. So anyway, guys, you go to the mailing system here. I click on this. You want to click on all your leads here, and then I'm just gonna go to my next email on my list here that's already loaded up. And my next one is billing my money up here, guys. We're just gonna load that one up. All right. And yeah, you can copy that, guys. You can copy that, billing my money up. And I'm gonna just say the same stuff here. You just copy everything I got wrote down here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Copy, copy, pause, copy, pause, copy. You're gonna put your link right here, guys. You're gonna put your link right here. This is where you want to put your link at. And you want to hit perfect timing. What they're gonna do is send an email around time people check emails, right? And you want to preview and make sure your link works, guys. So if your link doesn't work, they can't get to the page. My link works. My link works. And you just send an email and you're done, guys. Solid taste. Very simple, very easy process. Once you get your emails in here, it'll only take you like half a second to do this every day. Absolute laziest way to make money online. Now imagine this. I'm just saying, look how much money I made with this system right here in about 5-6 months, something like that. And this is the laziest way to make money online. I'm not doing anything else, guys, except doing this. And I'm making this extra $4,000. Like, do it, guys. That's all I'm trying to say. But anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.